Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On this channel I post do it yourself hair care and treatments for adults and kids, protective hairstyles, beauty hacks and fashion hacks. If you're here, I say a big welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how I use carrot and blue magic to improve hair growth. Blue magic has been since inception of time. I cannot overemphasize the importance of using blue magic on your hair. Some call it hair grease, some call it just grease. Just know that it has the potency of improving your hair, and it does this by sealing moisture in your scalp to last for all week. I usually do this first before making a new hairdo on my toddler's hair. This way, the scalp has enough nutrients and moisture to last throughout the week she would be keeping the hair. So this treatment we're about to make prevents dry scalp, hair fall, and obviously improves hair growth, which is our ultimate goal. Alright, continue to watch, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't be in a hurry, just continue to watch, and please watch to the end. Alright, keep watching. Right, everyone, we are done applying the hair treatment, and I just covered it up and I left it for about 45 minutes before washing it off with just water, no shampoo. And here it is. This is what it looks like. And the next thing we'll be doing is the blue magic right there. This is the magic we're about to do. So I just scooped 1 tablespoon of blue magic, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of organic castor oil. If you watched my videos, you would know that I love using castor oils in almost all my hair treatments. It is so because castor oil is loaded with a lot of benefits that is so good for the hair and scalp. So right now I'm just mixing the whole mixture together, and I'm going to be adding 1 drop of lavender essential oil. It is completely optional. You can decide to add lavender essential oil or any essential oil of your choice. And here we are, everyone. I'm just going to be applying the whole mixture onto her hair down to her scalp, and I'll make sure I completely massage it properly. It is very important to keep the hair super moisturized. Like I usually say, that leaving the hair dry, it's not good for hair growth. So you want to make sure that your hair is moisturized, and moisturizing your hair means moisturizing your hair follicles, and obviously it's gonna make your hair grow. And this is the style we made from today's tutorial. Oh god, it looks so beautiful. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, share my content with your friends and families who are trying to grow their hair. And in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to style a toddler's hair. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.